Morning. Okay, so let us let's do rule 9 and rule 10 today first. Let's start with 9 and 10. That is narrow channel and TSS. So have the rules in front of you, please, so that we can do the comparisons between them. So rule number 9, narrow channel, and we're now talking about okay. So in narrow channel, what he's saying is if this be the narrow channel. So firstly, he says a vessel proceeding along the course of a narrow channel shall keep as near to the outer limit of the starboard side as is safe and practicable. So it must lie to the starboard side. Then next, vessel length less than 20 meters, sailing vessel shall not impede the passage, which can safely navigate. And likewise, fishing vessel shall not impede. If I have this is my vessel, this is my vessel, power driven vessel. And if I have a vessel like this, so this is vessel B. This is a vessel length less than 20 meters. She could be a sailing vessel also. And she could be a fishing vessel also. Then whose duty is to keep clear? Whose duty is it to keep clear? Anybody in the class? So if you're in vessel A, what will be your action? What will be your action? You will maintain course and speed. MCS, maintain course and speed. They are supposed to take action. They don't take any action. What will you do? 5 short and rapid blasts to attract attention. They still don't take any action. What will you do? Reduce speed and inform VTIS. Is this action okay with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubts? Fishing vessel, sailing vessel, vessel length less than 20 meters shall not impede this. So they have to take action. They will stop their engines. That is their action. So their action is stop main engine. Duty not to impede. This is their action. This is this guy's action. Is this okay with everybody?
सर
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
फिशिंग वेसल वाले में
Fishing vessel, sailing vessel, length less than 20 meters.
नहीं सर, वो ब्लैक मार्कर में DNTI कुछ.
Stop main engine, duty not to impede.
Okay sir.
He has a duty not to impede as per rule number 9. As per rule number 9. As per rule number 9. What will she do? Maintain course and speed, 5 short and rapid blast, reduce speed, VTIs. Inform VTIs, that is. Okay, is this okay? Okay, I'm coming on to 9 delta now. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only when within such a channel or fairway. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway. So therefore, now I am bringing another ship. This is vessel Charlie. A vessel Charlie. And she is a vessel. So what all can she be? She can be a power-driven vessel. She could be a NUC. She could be a RAM. And she could be a CBD also. She is a vessel. Remember, PD vessel, NUC, RAM, or a CBD. Action will remain the same. Same action. So what will these vessels do? Same action. Stop main engine. Duty not to impede as per rule number 9. What will be the action of this? Maintain course and speed. 5 short and rapid blast, reduce speed, VTI. Same action for Charlie also. Is this okay for everybody? Clear है? किसी को कोई doubt तो नहीं?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Next, I'm moving ahead. Now I'm coming to 9 echo. 9 echo कहता है. All right. So again narrow channel. ये draw किया. In a narrow channel or fairway, when overtaking can take place. All right. अब overtaking की बारी आ रही है. So अब we are talking about vessel A and vessel delta. Vessel delta is doing 8 knots. Vessel alpha is doing 12 knots. So quite obviously, vessel alpha is overtaking vessel delta. Okay. So now let's read 9 echo. In narrow channel, when overtaking can take place only if the vessel to be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing. The vessel intending to overtake, that means A, shall indicate her intention by sounding the appropriate signals in 34 Charlie 1. The vessel to be overtaken, if in agreement, will sound 34 Charlie 2. If in doubt, she may sound 34 Delta. So 34 Charlie 1 क्या कहता है? Can somebody read 34 Charlie 1 for me, please?
A vessel intending to overtake another shall, in compliance with Rule 9E Part 1, indicate her intention by the following signals on her whistle. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast to mean I intend to overtake you on your starboard side. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts to mean I intend to overtake you on your port side.
Okay. So 2 prolonged, 1 short. Starboard side overtaking. I want to do this. So I want to overtake you from your starboard side. 2 prolonged followed by 2 short. I intend to overtake you from your port side. He will sound like this. This is as per 34 Charlie 1. Now, delta, if he wants to say yes or okay, then 34 Charlie 2. What is that? Can you read that, please?
The vessel about to be overtaken when action in accordance with the rule 9 part E first shall indicate her agreement by the following signal on her whistle. 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged and 1 short blast in that order.
Okay. So basically, he is sounding Charlie. That means okay or yes. 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, 1 short. He is saying yes. Is it Zulu or is it Charlie?
Charlie.
Sir, Charlie only.
Charlie. So 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, 1 short. That means yes, it is okay for you to overtake. Supposing delta, there is some obstruction aage, and he does not want him to overtake. So he will say no. How will he say no? 5 short and rapid blasts as per 34 delta. ये समझ में आ गया? अगर तो ओके है तो ये चार्ली करेगा साउंड, अगर तो ओके नहीं है तो ये 5 शॉट रैपिड ब्लास्ट दे देगा. दैट मींस ही कैन नॉट ओवरटेक. Mind you, all these signals whichever we are doing are only in good visibility. Please remember, only in good visibility, only when vessels are in sight of one another. In RV, these signals will not work. Rule 34 will not apply. Why? Because in RV, 35 will apply. Sound signals with restricted visibility. That's why. Okay, let's move ahead. 9E2. This rule does not relieve the overtaking vessel of her obligation under Rule 13. So that means A will remain a overtaking vessel and is obligated to keep clear of delta. So इसकी responsibility कम नहीं हुई, ये अभी भी overtaking ही है. Foxtrot. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of narrow channel or fairway where other vessel may be obscured by an obstruction intervening will sound the appropriate signal prescribed in 34 echo. That is 1 prolonged blast. And any vessel, if the circumstances of the case admit, shall avoid anchoring in a narrow channel. So you can't drop anchor in a narrow channel. You can't drop anchor. So this is your rule 9 that gets over. Any doubts in rule 9? Anybody? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's come to rule 10. Let's come to rule 10. So ये ड्रॉ कर लिया आपने लोगों ने, कॉपी कर लिया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.